Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are keeping fine. So today also we continue the question answers. Okay, in last video we have done. Today we continue the same. English literature, class 5th, poem, books. Okay, look at your book. B. How does the speaker convince us that reading book is a magical experience? How does the speaker convince us that reading book is a magical experience? So the answer is reading a book is a magical experience according to the speaker because it introduces the reader to new ideas and experiences. It sparks our imagination. It takes us to new lands and makes to meet new people while being seated in our homes, just like how a magic box brings out exciting things. A book can also spring surprises for a book lover. So this is the answer. How does the speaker convince us that reading book is a magical experience? So all of you open your book, English literature book, page 10, page number 10. Okay. Next one, appreciating the poem. Okay. So question 1. What words and images does the speaker use to suggest that books can take their readers on a journey? Which words or what words or images the speaker uses? And we find that book can take the reader on a journey. Okay, so you open the poem and you will find these following lines. Okay, the speaker uses the lines like, you will find these lines, new ideas and people rise in our fancies and our eyes. These two lines from where do we find? In the first stanza. Okay, again in third stanza you will find these two lines. Or we sail along the page to some other land or age. So these four lines suggest that books can take their reader on a journey. Alright. So these lines give us a feeling of a journey where we can see different places and people. Alright. And second question from that, appreciating the poem. Second, why do you think the speaker uses the words we and our? Why do you think the speaker uses the words like we and our and not me and my? In place of me and my, why do the speaker uses the words like we and our? So the answer is the speaker knows that like her there are many other people who love books. She is speaking not only for herself but all book lovers across the world. Therefore, she uses words like us and we. It is referring to all the book lovers of the world. Therefore, she uses words like us and we. Plural, not using singular, but she is using plural form. Alright. We continue. All of you open your book, page 11. Your book, page 11. Okay. Words in use. A. Circle the words that rhyme with the highlighted words. Then add another word of your own. So I am giving this for your homework. Alright. One already I have done it. Books, rhyming words. Okay, same sound. Books, cooks, looks. Alright, I have circled it. So one more word I have added. Okay, I have added here hooks. Same way, away. Find out which words. Okay, similar sound. And one more word you have to add it of your own. Same way. So I am giving you this homework. All of you find out and do it. Alright. Next one. Match these words with their meanings. Okay. First one, ideas. Ideas meaning plans, thoughts or suggestions. Okay. Ideas means plans, thoughts or suggestion. Same way, fancies. Fancies meaning wishes and dreams. Wishes and dreams. Third one, imagination. Imagination is the ability to create pictures in the mind. So the meaning of imagination is the ability to create pictures in the mind. Fourth one, wonder, meaning a feeling of surprise and admiration. A feeling of surprise and admiration. Fifth one, inspiration. Inspiration meaning you inspired by someone. Okay, inspiration, a person or thing that is the reason behind a creation. Inspiration here means a person or thing that is the reason behind a creation. So children, we have completed question answers of the poem Books. Kindly don't waste your time. Learn the answers. So learn about the poetess. Complete the exercise. Alright. All the best. Take care of yourself. Thank you. God bless you.